Good afternoon. Today I'm going to recommend you Freedcamp as an application that's to use instead of Basecamp 3. Now, I'm going to tell you some facts about it before getting on to some screenshots using the app itself. Freedcamp is free at the base level, and it can be bumped up to $8.99 per month for businesses. Now, this contains features such as integrations with Google Calendar, Google Drive, Dropbox, and more, which can link directly with your projects. Freedcamp is also easy to navigate and it's easy to set up projects, as I'm going to show you right now. The first screenshot I'm going to show you shows the beginning steps of starting it up. It shows you the basic thing of your dashboard. Now you can view project notifications very easily with the bell icon and create new projects just as fast at the upper right hand corner. And you can also move around project cards as you start getting more projects added in. Here I started creating my first task. I named it my first project, and of course you could add in a task name such as task number 1. You could also add it to a group, say that you are working in a business that you are the marketer for. You would put it for marketing group. Maybe next week you might work with the manager, so manager group, or something as that. And then you simply click add task. And as simple as that, you finish creating your first project. Now, if you ever have to go back and see completed projects, you can always go back and see them with the blue link that says see completed projects. And if you ever want to create another project and or task, you can always click the upper right hand corner where there's a little plus sign, and you can always click in the middle the blue plus button in the middle bottom of your screen. If you need to have any notifications for your project, say the due date's coming up or something has been going on the project, such as maybe your teammates have added some new things to it, you can always click the little bell signal at the top left and you can get notifications coming to you. Now is for tasks. Instead of naming the project a project name, you can always name it a task name and it will go here. Tasks are simpler things that you don't necessarily need to add a whole group with. They're more simple things such as I have to complete emailing all the customers that have emailed for the day, I have to send out a letter to this business for a complaint, things like that. These are daily tasks that you would want to put down. As you start to use this app more often, you will start wanting to use the calendar feature. The calendar feature you can sync with your Google Calendar, and you could add important dates of things that you need to do, maybe events that are happening, meetings, anything you could think of. You could add this into here and it will be synced to your Google Calendar as long as you have that function added and that you be paying the $8.99 per month. Some of the other features that I have not mentioned and showed screenshots are that you can do on the app is discussions, milestones, Wikipedia kind of things, wall, issue tracker, time, Gantt chart, Kanban board, subtasks, taskee, backups, widget board, white label, CRM, project templates, invoices, passwords, file edits, files, and as I said before, third-party integrations such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. And that about wraps up what I have to say about Freedcamp. Freedcamp has so many features, and yet if you don't want to use most of them and just use the very basics and connect with each other, this is great, especially for people who aren't very tech savvy at all. If you want to get more into it and add more things, such as I mentioned before, such as the Kanban board, which is a modern way of managing tasks by dragging them into completion columns, or discussions, or as I said, the issue tracker, or really anything. They have everything you can think of on here. You can easily figure that out. But if you're just in there for going into work, using your projects, and getting them done in a quick, simple manner, this is the thing that you need to try out.